Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Path of Glory, the channel where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. It's great to have you with us again for another English learning podcast.
Today, we're going shopping. We'll talk about buying clothes, asking about sizes, trying things on, and giving opinions about style.
Yes, shopping for clothes is something everyone does, so this lesson will be super useful.
Today, we're going shopping. We'll talk about buying clothes, asking about sizes, trying things on, and giving opinions about style.
Yes, shopping for clothes is something everyone does, so this lesson will be super useful. We'll also listen to a short story and then talk about some helpful expressions you can use next time you're in a clothing store.
Sounds perfect. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe to Path of Glory, give this podcast a thumbs up, and share it with your friends who are learning English too.
Exactly. Okay, let's begin with our story for today, a day at the clothing store.
Hi, my name is Anna. Last weekend, I went shopping for clothes with my friend Mia. I needed a new outfit for my cousin's birthday party. We went to a big shopping mall near the city center. The first store we entered had a lot of colorful clothes. I saw a beautiful blue dress in the window. I said to Mia, "Wow, look at that dress. I really like it." She smiled and said, "You should try it on." So I asked the shop assistant, "Excuse me, can I try this on?" She said, "Of course, the fitting rooms are over there." I took the dress and went to try it on. It looked nice, but it was a little too small. So I asked, "Do you have this in a larger size?" The assistant checked and said, "Yes, here you go. This one is medium." I tried the medium size and it fit perfectly. I looked in the mirror and said, "I love it." Mia said, "It looks great on you. The color really suits you." I was so happy, I decided to buy it. Then we went to another shop because Mia wanted a new pair of jeans. She tried on 3 pairs before she found one that fit well. The assistant said, "Those jeans look good on you." Mia laughed and said, "Finally, these are perfect." After shopping, we went to a small cafe and had coffee. It was a fun and relaxing day.
That was a great story. Shopping with friends is always fun.
Yes, and there were many useful phrases in that story. Let's talk about them one by one.
Good idea. First, Anna said, "Can I try this on?" That's one of the most important phrases when you're shopping for clothes.
Exactly. Try on is a phrasal verb. It means to put on clothes to see if they fit or look good. For example, I want to try on this jacket before I buy it.
Right. And the place where you try on clothes is called a fitting room or changing room.
Then she said, "Do you have this in a larger size?" That's another useful question. You can also say, "Do you have this in a smaller size?" "Do you have this in red or blue?"
Yes, and when the clothes fit you well, you can say, "It fits perfectly."
Or, "It looks great on me." That's something we say when clothes look good or stylish.
And when something doesn't fit, you can say, "It's too small." "It's too big." "It doesn't fit me."
Exactly. And when Anna's friend said the color really suits you, that means the color looks good on her. It matches her skin tone or style.
Yes, you can also say, "This style suits you," or "That shirt looks nice on you."
Here's another one. Anna said, "I decided to buy it." That's how we talk about making a decision when shopping. You can say, "I'll take it," or "I'll buy it."
Perfect. And at the end of the story, they said they had coffee together. That's a nice way to end a shopping day.
Useful phrases for shopping. Let's review some useful phrases you can use in a clothing store.
Sure. Repeat after us if you can. "Excuse me, can I try this on?" "Where are the fitting rooms?" "Do you have this in a larger size?" "It fits perfectly." "It's too small." "It's too big." "The color suits you." I'll take it. How much is this? Is it on sale? Can I pay by card?
Excellent. Those are all very common in real-life English conversations.
Yes, and practicing them out loud will help you speak more naturally when shopping.
Mini dialogue. At the store. Okay, I'll be the assistant, you be the customer, Emily.
Okay, deal. Here we go.
Excuse me, can I try this jacket on?
Of course, the fitting rooms are over there.
Thanks. Oh, it's a bit too small. Do you have a larger size?
Let me check. Yes, here's a medium.
Great. This one fits perfectly. I'll take it.
Wonderful. That will be $45. Would you like to pay by card?
Yes, please. That's a great example of a short, natural shopping conversation.
Yes, if you practice dialogues like this, you'll feel much more confident in real stores.
Grammar focus. Adjectives and comparatives. Let's look at some grammar that often appears in shopping conversations.
Good idea. We often use adjectives to describe clothes, like big, small, long, short, cheap, expensive, beautiful, stylish.
And we can compare things using comparatives. For example, this dress is cheaper than that one. These shoes are more comfortable than the others. This jacket is better than the blue one.
Exactly. And remember, we use than to make comparisons.
Practice challenge. Now, it's your turn. Try to answer these questions out loud.
Ready? Let's go. What kind of clothes do you like to wear? Do you prefer shopping in a mall or online? How often do you buy new clothes? What color suits you best? Have you ever bought something that didn't fit?
Great! Practice your answers slowly and clearly. Final thoughts.
So, today we learned lots of useful English for shopping, asking for sizes, trying things on, and giving opinions about style.
Yes, remember to practice these expressions and repeat them out loud. That's how you make them natural and easy to use.
And we'd love to hear from you. Tell us in the comments, what do you usually buy when you go shopping?
We can't wait to read your answers.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share Path of Glory with your friends who are learning English too.
Thank you for listening and keep practicing your English every day.
Until next time.
Keep learning, keep growing, and shine on your path to glory.